Here is another question from one of our viewers. They wanted to know if you could build a stairway with different riser heights. And they made it sound like they already had a stairway built with 3-inch riser variations. And I think you could do it if you had something like this, but you're not going to be able to do it if you have something like this, where a standard stairway is going to have the same size steps, the same depth and riser height throughout the entire stairway. However, I don't think you're going to have a problem if you create individual landings, floors, or platforms that are going to meet the minimum width for a landing, platform, or floor that could be part of a stairway. And if that's the case, you'd be able to have a 5-inch riser here, a 7-inch riser here, a 4-inch riser here, and so on. You could have different riser heights throughout the stairway because you're going to be using landings for those steps. And I'm going to take this one step further. I think you're even going to be able to change the direction of those steps as long as the minimum widths for the landing are going to be used throughout that stairway. And in this example here, that is not going to be a problem. However, in this example here, we will be using shorter or smaller landings. This one is not going to meet the minimum width or depth to create a landing. However, they can be longer and wider, like this one here. And an example of what I was talking about when I said the minimum width of the stairway or the minimum depth might look something like this here. And the last thing I want to point out in the video is to check with your local building department before building anything like this. Because even though my interpretation found in the most popular building code books might suggest something like this will work for me, doesn't mean someone else is going to view it the same way. So always check with your local building and safety department before building a set of stairs on your property.